Everyone keeps asking me this question. How do you create video from your PowerPoint presentations? Hi everyone, this is Debbie from Go Ask Debbie. I'm here to tell you today that it is so easy to create video from your PowerPoint presentation, and I'm going to show you how. Depending on your version of PowerPoint, things might look a little bit different. However, PowerPoint has had this feature for many years, so you should have no problem turning your PowerPoint presentation into a video. Once you have your PowerPoint slide deck ready, the next step is to add narrations and timings. To do that, we're going to click on Slideshow and click on the Record button. You have the option to select Current Slide or From Beginning. I'm going to select From Beginning. And a recording screen will pop up. Here's where it all works. You'll see a big red Record button on the top left corner. And when you're ready, you're going to click it and you can begin narrating over your slides. You'll also see options to turn on your microphone and/or your camera, which means you can record yourself talking on video alongside your presentation. You can even highlight or annotate on the slides as you present. Let's do a quick demo. Hit the record button and watch the countdown. Hi, my name is Debbie with Go Ask Debbie, and today I'm sharing 5 tips for a simpler way to work. What you'll do is you'll simply click through your presentation, narrate accordingly. I could say PowerPoint designers suggest professional designs, whatever I'm going to say about each slide. I'll continue to move through the slide presentation and speaking just like I would if I was presenting it. Once I'm done, I'll just simply hit the stop button. And then I'll click on the X in the top right corner to close the record window. Once you're happy with your recording, it's time to turn it into a video. To do this, click on the File tab and then click Export. You'll see Create a Video, so we'll click Create a Video. And it defaults to 1080p Full HD. I usually select that option. And also, of course, you want to take the default here for Use Recorded Timings and Narrations. And then simply click on Create Video. Find a location you'd like to save the video and name it. Now the PowerPoint will render the video. Depending on the length of the presentation, this may take a few minutes, so you may want to step away, plan on taking your lunch break, or whatnot. Once your video is rendered, it'll be ready for uploading to whatever platform accepts MP4 video files. Or you can share with coworkers. Another way to save the PowerPoint to a video is to simply click on the File ribbon tab and click Save As. From here, you'll choose your location, of course. And on the drop-down arrow for the file type, you'll simply choose MPEG or MP4. It does the same thing as the file export. That's it. You've just created a video from your PowerPoint presentation. It's ready to share on any video platform or to share with coworkers. If you learned from this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more training, tips, and tricks. If you have other questions, simply go ask Debbie in the comments below. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.